In a sunlit kitchen, a humble toaster oven becomes a creative ally, turning kitchen scraps into three distinct dishes. In the first bite, rescued broccoli stems and stale bread become crispy crostini with garlic, olive oil, and lemon zest. Next, the carrot tops and yesterday's rice blend into savory fritters, fried until golden and fragrant with herbs. For the finale, leftover coffee grounds and almond pulp shape a surprising dessert crust, baked to a firm, crumbly finish. Finally, scraps that can't be used are composted, feeding a future garden harvest.